Hi there everyone, Candy Foster here. So I've been doing some major research lately on good fats, bad fats, healthy fats, not so healthy fats, and all the foods that we consume them in. You all know, if you follow me, that I'm all about getting rid of those processed foods. But there are some things that we just tend to have that we don't really think much about. And I am just as guilty as anyone else. So the thing that I found the other day is mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, the very first ingredient in this brand is soybean oil. Super bad for us. Congests our cells and makes us not feel well. My husband, on the other hand, is that brand kind of guy. And the second ingredient is soybean oil. So not good for us. And as we all know, the higher up on the list of foods it is in the ingredients, the more there is of it there for us. So that's not good. So I've decided I'm going to try making my own mayonnaise. So thanks for joining. Let's see what we can do. I have 2 egg yolks here. These are room temperature, and apparently that is the key. So I'm going to put these in here. And you can see they're super orange, so they're nice and fresh. They're pasture raised, super important. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, a half a teaspoon of dry mustard, which is optional, but I like a little flavor in there. And then I have a teaspoon of rice vinegar. You can use any kind of vinegar. You can use, and then we start to blend, but we add olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil. I usually would stick to the olive oil or the avocado oil. A cup of this, but we do it we add it slowly. So I'm going to use my mighty immersion blender. So I'm going to block out the noise once we start, but let's see what happens here. And then we're going to slowly add the olive oil. So here we are, not super pretty in the jar, but I can put it in a prettier jar so that it looks beautiful. But it tastes yummy and way better for us.